can't see where the holes are. Here is a hole in here. So that's gonna be difficult because it is... Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work. Hopefully. Yeah, it's from a stapler gun. It's not a normal stapler. I'm gonna put it in the ground because I don't want to run over it again. No, I just gotta throw it away in the bin. Okay, then this. Tie tape. Okay. Where's the grinding paper? Oh no, I lost it. Uh-oh. Oh, here it is. Okay, this is gonna be very easy. Just grind it. Just grind spots where the leak is out. So there's no oil or rubbish onto there. Those are quite big holes. Yeah. No, it's not enough. I need to grind it up completely. About this. So, oh, no, don't go. So, I got it. Now this. Really need not too large, but not too small. I think this will do it. This. Yeah. Okay. Now do I need to find glue? Where's the glue? It doesn't... Oh, it's still here. There's another one. This one is totally stuck. Oh, this one... Yeah. This totally... Oh, I got it. But... Smells. Smells like alcohol or something. Okay. I think I now need to put it right where the leaks are. Oh, I think that is way too much. Anyway. Now I need to peel off like sticker. So, oh no, I lost it. I got it again. So yeah, I have it. Now do I need to... Where's the leak? To get a flat area. Hopefully it will stick to it. It's now completely on my hands. I think you can wash it off, or else there's glue forever on my hands. But I don't think that's gonna happen. Okay. I think it's glued to it. I don't know if it's perfect. Maybe a little more. Oh no, that's way too much. No, anyway. Or else I'm just gonna buy a brand now inside tire. Actually, will hot glue work? No, I think it's gonna melt the whole tire. I want that to happen. So, my knees and my hands are completely frozen. There's no gloves and the ground is kinda wet. So my knees are frozen. There's a piece of paper. Yeah, I'm just gonna dump it in here. Hopefully it will work. I can't promise that this will work because it's right on the place where it's glued together or pressed together or melted together where indeed. Maybe duct tape will work. Where can I find some duct tape? It will help some. Or maybe it's just fake duct tape. Yeah, I think I'm gonna look for some duct tape to be right back. Okay, my dad just said the tape's not necessary, so I may not do that. Hopefully it will stay like this and work. So now do I need to tie it back on? It's gonna be a bit difficult. Or not, I don't know. Maybe not. There still is some air left in the tire. That's why it was so difficult to get it off. Next time I drain the air completely out of it. That was easy. So now do I need to get the pump and see if it's not empty again in the morning. So thanks for watching. Bye.